First, wash the filtration tank and cartridge seal with a mild environmentally friendly soap and a sponge. Disinfect the cartridge and lubricate the silicone seal with an isopropyl alcohol pad. Gently insert the glass cartridge through the top of the silicone seal, using circular motions if necessary. Push the cartridge with your fingers until the glass edge touches the silicone seal. Place the filter tank on the rinse board on top of your sink. Fill the tank with cold water to rinse the cartridge. Run the equivalent of 2 full 4-liter tanks to complete the rinsing process. Take advantage of the cartridge rinse time to complete the washing of the other parts of your unit with warm water and mild soap. If your sink is stainless steel, line the bottom with a dishcloth to protect your ceramic pieces from marking.